Hello and welcome to Complete Agriculture. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to harvest millions of mangoes commercially. The complete guide of mango harvesting, mango sorting and mango packaging process. We will take you to the step-by-step journey through the entire process of mango harvesting, sorting and packaging. So, whether you are a mango farmer or just someone who loves mango, this video will give you all the information you need to know to get the best result for your mango harvest. Mango is a popular tropical fruit that is enjoyed by the millions of people around the world. Mangoes are not only delicious, but they are also packed with the essential vitamins and minerals, making them healthy addition of any diet. Mango harvesting, sorting and packaging process is an important process that requires care, attention to ensure that the fruit reach the market in perfect condition. In this video, we go through the step-by-step mango harvesting, sorting and packaging process. So first thing is harvesting mango. The mango harvesting process is the first step to ensure that the fruit reaches the market in perfect condition. The mango harvesting is a delicate process that requires care and attention to avoid damaging the fruit. Here are the steps involved the harvesting. The first step in the mango harvesting process is assess the maturity of the fruit. Mangoes should be harvested when they are fully mature but not over-ripe. Over-ripe mango will not have a long shelf life and will not be suitable for transport. A mature mango will have a slightly soft texture and will be fragrant. Choose the right time of day. The best time to harvest mango is the morning when the temperature is cool. Harvesting in the morning will help to reduce the amount of heat that food is exposed to, which can cause damage to the fruit. Cut the mangoes. The third step. The mangoes should be cut from the trees using a sharp, clean knife. The cuts should be made close to the stem without damaging the fruit. The stem should be left intact as it is helped to prolong the shelf life of the fruit. Then the fourth step, transport the mango to the sorting area. Once the mangoes are harvested, they should be transported to the sorting area as quickly as possible. Mangoes are left in the sun for a long time, as long as can be damaged. So it's important to transport them quickly. Sorted mango. The next step of the mango harvesting is sorting and packaging process. In the sort the fruit. Sorting is an important process that helps to ensure that the only best quality fruit is sent to the market. Here are the steps involved in sorting mangoes. First step is washing the mango. The mangoes should be washed with clean water to remove any dirt or debris that may be in the fruit. Washing mango will be helped to reduce the risk of combination. The next step is sort the mangoes by size. The mangoes should be sorted by size to ensure that they are all uniform. This will make it easier to package the fruit and will help to ensure that the fruit is displayed attractively in the market. Sort the mangoes by quality. The mangoes should be sorted by quality to ensure that the best quality fruit is sent to the market. Any fruit that is damaged or over-ripe should be removed from the batch. Fourth step is to pack the mangoes. Once the mangoes are sorted, they should be packed into the box or carrots. The box or carrot should be able to support the weight of the fruit without crushing it. Then the packaging mango. The final step in the mango harvesting, sorting and packaging process is the packaged the mango fruit. packaging is an important process that helps to protect the fruit during the transport and ensure that the fruit reaches the market in perfect condition. Here are the steps involved in the packaging mangoes. Choose the right packaging materials. The packaging materials should be able to protect the fruit during the transport. The package material should able to protect the fruit during transport. The package should be able to protect the fruit from moisture and humidity. At protecting the bottom of the packaging material should be lined with the protective cushioning such as from paper. This will help prevent the fruit from being damaged or during transport. Place the mangoes in the packaging. The mangoes should be placed in the packaging carefully with the stem side up. The fruit should be placed in row with enough space between each mangoes to prevent them from touching and becoming damaged. Close and seal the packaging. Once the mangoes are packed into the packaging should be closed and sealed. This will help to protect the fruit during the transport and prevent being exposed to moisture and humidity. This is the mango harvesting, sorting and packaging process. It's an important process that requires care, attention to ensure the fruit reach the market perfect condition. By following the step-by-step outline in this video, farmer and distributor can ensure that only the best quality mangoes are sent to the market. Do you know Japanese Miyazaki mango, which is fetch price upward $3,000 per fruit? These mangoes are carefully grown under the strict condition, with each fruit receiving individual attention and care. They are known for their sweet, juicy flesh as well as the perfect shape and size. Other expensive mangoes include the Philippines mango, which is known for their distinct sweetness and aroma, and the Indian Ratnagiri Alfonso mango, which are considered one of the best mangoes in the world due to its rich flavor and texture. But it's not just about price tag. Mangoes come in wide variety of shape, size and color. Some of them large and oval shaped, and some of them are circle, while other are small and round. Mango's color can be range green to yellow to red, and the flesh can be firm or soft. Aside from the delicious taste, mango are also with nutrient. They are great source of vitamin C, vitamin A and fiber. They also contain antioxidants that can be help protect the body against disease. Mangoes are delicious and nutritious food with a rich variety and exotic variety to the most expensive mango in the world. They are so much diverse to explore the mangoes. Whether you are mango enthusiastic, simply look to try something new, there are mango out for everyone. So go ahead and indulge in the sweet, juicy goodness mango today. Thanks for watching the complete harvesting process of mango. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative video like this one. Please subscribe complete